In this problem, we want to multiply these two rational expressions. So we got 8x plus 24 over x squared plus 9x plus 18 times x squared plus 3x minus 18 over x minus 3. Now, first step is to factor everything. Well, this is GCF here because they're both divisible by 8. This one's PSD because we have x squared x, no number in front of our x squared. This one is also PSD. X squared x, no number in front of our x squared. And the x minus 3 is nothing. Now, the 8x plus 24. We factor an 8 out, and that leaves us x plus 24 divided by 8 is 3. Now let's look at this one. We've got x squared plus 9x plus 18. PSD, we take the number at the end, the 18, ignoring signs. So if it was a negative 18, we'd still take 18. And come up with our three columns, our P column, S column, and D column. P is stands for product. All the products give us 18. We've got 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. The S column, S for sum, we add these together. 1 plus 18 is 19, 2 plus 9 is 11, 3 plus 6 is 9. D for difference, we subtract them. So 18 minus 1 is 17, 9 minus 2 is 7, 6 minus 3 is 3. Now, a number we're looking for is the number on our middle term, which is 9, which is right here, which means we use 3 and 6. Now, our larger number in the P column that we're using, which is a 6, will always be the same sign as the middle term. Middle term here in this problem is positive, so 6 will be positive. Number I circled in the S column, S for same signs, either both positive or both negative. Since the 6 is positive, then the 3 has to be positive. So this factors as x plus 3 times x plus 6. And this denominator stays as is. We can't factor it. Let's look at the top part. We got x squared plus 3x minus 18. PSD, we again take a look at the number 2. It's 18 again, isn't it? I'll write table down again. Same one we got up above, though. We got 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Add them, subtract them. Now, the number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which in this problem was a 3, which is right here, which means I use 3 and 6 again. There we go. Now, our larger number in the P column that we're using, which is a 6, is always going to be the same sign as the middle term, which in this problem is positive. Now, the number I circled is in a difference column. D for different signs means one will be positive, one will be negative. Since the 6 was positive, then the 3 has to be negative. So this factors as x minus 3 times x plus 6. And that was step 1. Factor everything. Step 2, cancel. Well, only guideline is one's on top, one's on the bottom, and they're the same. They don't have to be in the same fraction. They can be, but they don't have to be. Well, here's an x plus 3, here's an x plus 3. Those cancel. Here's an x plus 6, here's an x plus 6. Again, one's on top, one's on the bottom, and they're the same. And here's an x minus 3, here's an x minus 3. So those cancel. And actually, everything disappears except for the 8. So that's our answer.